everyone. Today I, Nitya Maheshwari of Class 9 from Bal Bharati Public School Dwarka will be sharing my innovative idea. Let's first meet with the problem statement. The main problem the visually impaired people face is that they cannot identify any obstacle in front of them while walking on the streets, which is very dangerous. Not only on the streets, but also in their own homes. Someday, if a thief enters the house of a visually impaired person, he might not able to recognize if the person is a known person or a stranger. My idea is to create a visually impaired assistant kit, which includes a falling robot, a wrist ankle band, and smart glasses. The robot will follow the visually impaired person just like his pet, and the person can control it through the wristband or the ankle band. If there's any obstacle in front of the blind person, the robot can identify it through the ultrasonic sensor. The smart glasses will recognize any obstacle and can also differentiate between a known person and an unknown person. The robot will notify the person through an earphone, vibrator, or a buzzer. The robot can also predict the speed of any moving obstacle in front of the visually impaired person and will notify the person timely to avoid collision. Here are two block diagrams of my idea. The first represents the connection between the wrist ankle band and the falling robot. The second is a block diagram of the smart glasses. Now let's talk about the results. The proposed design is very much helpful for the visually impaired people, enabling them to do regular tasks with ease. It will remove dependency on sticks for movement. It will resolve the problem of reading text as everybody is not aware of the braille language. This will allow them to differentiate between known and unknown person. Though there are some disadvantages too. The range of the ultrasonic sensor is short, hence can only detect nearby obstacles. The distance between the falling robot and the wristband should be shorter to ensure the pairing to take place. The ultrasonic sensor has a limitation of occlusion. For the camera, bright environment is required. To read smaller text, good camera resolution is needed. Let's talk about commercial viability and scalability. Once this product is ready, I will contact various eye hospitals. At first, I will distribute its free sample to visually impaired people. For marketing, I would spread advertisements through social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. I would also contact with companies like Lenskart so that I can access to more customers. The future scope. In the future, this approach could use computer vision techniques to detect obstacles from varied ranges. Machine learning algorithms can be applied to overcome the mentioned limitations. Here are some reference links. There was another question which stated what motivated me to create this idea. So in June 2022, I participated in IEE Women in Engineering Project-Based Learning School Camp. In this camp, all the participants were given a problem statement and had to find a solution to it. After a lot of research, I realized that visually impaired people struggle a lot to do their day-to-day activities, and that's when I came up with the solution. Luckily for this idea, I secured second position. Thank you.